The battle cry. Tears fill the eyes of their loved ones and their brothers in arms. So it went for Joseph one. Should have been different, it could have been easy. His rank could have saved him, the country unborn with bravery. Burns like wildfire. From the ashes grew sweet liberty, like seeds from the pines when the forest burns and they open up, grow and burn again. Should have been different and it could have been easy, but too much money rolling to never end. Slavery burns like wildfire. Civil War came and the Civil War went. Brother for brother, South was spent, but it's true to mine. Hatred passed down through the years. Should have been different and it could have been easy, but pride is a way of holding on too firm to history. It burns like wildfire. Well, I was born southern sun, a small southern town with rebels run wild beneath their chests. Swear they're gonna rise again. 'Cause you see, well, it should have been different, and it could have been easy the day old Warren died. Hate should have gone with him, but here we are, we're caught in a wildfire. Yes. That was written by a guy called Andrew Marlin.
Rearranged by the Hillbillies King.
Rearranged and slightly destroyed and dismembered.